Hey everybody, I'm Andrew Tarantola with Engadget, coming to you from the BMW Pavilion at CES 2019, where the company is showing off a bunch of futuristic new features for its iNext concept platform. Normally when you're driving, that's all you're doing. Your eyes are on the road, your hands are 10 and 2. There's no room for error when you're doing that. But because the iNext platform leverages level 3 autonomous driving technology, which means that you can take your eyes off the road for extended periods of time, just as long as you don't fall asleep, you'll be able to perform a variety of tasks that you would never be able to do if you were driving yourself. Specifically, the company showed off its mixed reality experience. Once you've engaged the self-driving ease system, you'll be able to perform a variety of tasks, everything from teleconferencing to ordering snacks online to watching a football game. For example, if you're taking a conference call while the autonomy is engaged, you don't just get audio, you get full live video feeds of the people that you're actually talking to. What's more, any files or images or videos or pictures that they share will be automatically displayed on the center console of the vehicle. If you want to work your way through your to-do list for the day, whether it's ordering snacks, or making appointments, or just updating your calendar, you can do that as well, just by using your voice. You don't need to speak in specific codes like you would with Google Assistant. Instead, it uses natural language to understand your intentions and provide the best quality responses that it can. So if you want to say, order a bag of chips and have it delivered to your home, you simply tell the system that you want to do so. It'll look up the items that you're requesting, ask you whether you want to confirm, and then you simply say, yeah, go ahead and do it. And boom, when you get home, your groceries will be waiting for you. You can also control a variety of your smart home devices directly from the car itself. So if you have friends waiting outside, they'll ring your doorbell, it'll display on the center console. You'll be able to decide whether or not you want to let them in or just leave them out in the cold. The most impressive feature that I saw today was, if you're really brave, you can even watch live television or video content while the car drives itself. These sorts of features can provide a whole host of benefits to drivers, mostly in the fact that you're not wasting your valuable time just driving. You can multitask. Whether you've just got a long commute, you're stuck in traffic, or you're on a long haul trip across the country, these features will allow you to do other stuff while you travel. It's as close as you can get to being on a plane without having to clear TSA security, quite honestly. There are some drawbacks. The company still hasn't quite worked out how the display will work. It could just be a short throw projector that beams images up onto the windscreen. It could be AR or VR glasses that operate with BMW's intelligent personal assistant system. But either way, the company hopes to have this technology available in more of its cars, or at least closer to production ready, by 2025. That does it for us from the BMW Pavilion. We'll have more for you on the rest of BMW's announcements, including the intelligent personal assistant, which I'm really excited about, later this week. So stay tuned, everybody. Thank you much.